Welcome to Centrium, your ultimate gateway to Web3 content discovery, structured learning, and community engagement. The Web3 space is growing fast, but it's chaotic. Too much information is scattered across platforms, making it hard to stay informed and connected. Centrium is here to simplify your Web3 journey, with features like threads for streamlined updates, step-by-step guides for interactive learning, and community spaces for exclusive content. It's all in one place. After extensive necessary user research, Centrium's UI was designed prioritizing ease for the users. React and TypeScript were utilized for the front end while Solidity was used for the back end. It is all built on the BNB blockchain. With over 500 million Web3 users projected by 2030, the demand for educational content and structured learning is skyrocketing. Centrium bridges this gap, combining content discovery, learning, and engagement. The marketing strategy includes first building an MVP with the core features, then onboarding Web3 content creators and early adopters, taking it further by partnering with Web3 projects for content distribution and reward, and the integration of AI for moderation and personalized content. This is a demonstration of the project, Centrium. To get access to the dashboard, connect your wallet and create an account. On the left side of the screen, you can see the navigation menu, and this is currently the view of the user's home feed with thread and guideposts. Now to the search page, where users can explore Web3 through the lens that is Centrium. This is the notifications page where users keep up to date with system notifications, updates on the user's posts, and to also keep following other users' post notifications. Finally, the user profile page where users can see all their posts, saved posts from other users and their drafts yet to be published. Users can also see their Centrium tokens on their profile and the global leaderboard. Back to the home feed. Now, let's check out a guide post. On this page, you can follow the step-by-step guides for airdrop, NFTs, and claims easily. And then also rate the guide. This adds to the overall guide rating of the creator. This feature is implemented by AI. Now, to the thread posts, which are posts that keep users up to date on happenings in the Web3 space, posted by users on the platform. Users can also create posts with a user interface which makes posting threads easy with great text formatting. Posting guides is also made easier with the step-by-step process, and the preview page helps users view how their posts will be displayed. The 3-section design template was adopted all over the product because it makes navigation and overall use of the product with so much information easier to differentiate and access.